Massage. You will need 1 bowl of warm water. What you have to do: warm some water and transfer it to a bowl. Rinse your face and neck with this water. Pat your face dry and gently massage your neck, jaw, and shoulders in a circular motion. Continue massaging for about 5 minutes. How often you should do this? Do this daily before going to bed. How this works: a gentle massage before going to bed helps relieve your stress after a long day. It also helps to relax your muscles and induces sleep. The relaxing effects of a simple massage can thus be of great help in treating the condition of grinding teeth. Subscribe us to know more health tips and home remedies.